PRD Nationwide Hunter Valley is a large regional office in New South Wales. We sold 600 houses last year, and we pride ourselves at being at the forefront of innovation and technology. We had some big goals when we first started this process. Time efficiency was a big one, reliability of the process, and also the ability to be going paperless in the not too distant future. Jeff, our Telstra account rep, said, "We can help you."
We focus on business challenges and goals and align technology to meet those goals and overcome those challenges. The business apps we recommended were Box and Office 365. These two products gave them a cloud-based, secure storage solution that they could collaborate easier and manage versions of documents in a secure and organised way. Telstra used Entag, our design and implementation partner, to assist with user training and solution deployment.
The training that was provided both on-site and remotely really helped us to get the program up and running and have it set so the staff could access the files that they need to and also be able to share that environment with other users.
I'm looking forward to continuing the relationship with PRD Hunter Valley. Moving forward, we hope to work closely with them to develop a completely digital solution that improves office productivity and improves the customer experience for PRD's customers.
Having Telstra help design and implement the business apps was certainly very valuable to our business. Moving forward, we see great things which are going to allow us to keep at the front of the industry and continue to grow.